going on, guys? So I've always heard that herping in overcast conditions is optimal. It's prime herping conditions. Well, today we're gonna put that theory to the test. And not only that, we have an hour to do it in before I have to get back home to watch the premiere with you guys. So let's get to it. All right, first herp of the day. About 10 minutes in. This little cutie. I just love the patterns on these guys. They are incredible. His tail is like gone. Been through some battles, haven't you, buddy? Well, this is a first. I just flipped this board, and you guys see what I'm looking at right there? That is a little 5-button skink. Looks like it. Let's see if we can get him. Oh, yeah. Ow! Ow. Yeah, he is not happy. I don't want him to get... He is not happy at all. He is... Ow, he's biting me. No. No. What are you... Okay, he's on my body somewhere. Oh, okay. There he is. This is definitely a first. He is on my back. And I don't know how to get him off. Okay, where you going, buddy? Where you going? You see him? I don't know. Where did he go? I can't. Okay. Oh, I see him. Right here. Oh. Okay. He's off doing his own thing now. Okay. Wow. Oh. I don't know how that footage showed up, but that was definitely a first. Had a little 5-line escape onto the back of my shirt. Guys, it looks like flipping is the way to go today. Okay, really? And then when I put my hand down, I put it on top of the wasp nest. So that was fun. And okay, he went back under his rock. I'll let him keep doing his thing. But now I know not to flip that rock because it's got a wasp nest under it. Guys, I just flipped under this rock a black king. And not just that, a full black king. She is full as can be. Hey, girl. Look at her. Hang on, girl. Hang on. Come here. Here, now they calm down after a minute, so I'm just gonna let her try to calm down just a little bit. It's beautiful. Beautiful black king. Like, I mean, oh, best condition I've seen a black king in a while. It's absolutely gorgeous black king. She had to have eaten like a fence lizard or a baby mouse or something. I don't know. She ate something, so she is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Getting in the reeds. I'm gonna let you go into your rock, girl. I'm gonna let you go into your rock. Here. You are gorgeous. Alright. I've got enough footage of her. I'm gonna let her... Oh. Let her go under her rock. There you go, girl. There you go. Man, I did not expect to flip a black king. You got it, girl. You can go back under there. You got it. Work it out. She's trying to figure it out. I think she figured it out. There you go. God. I did not expect that, guys. Holy crap. That. Turns out, flipping works in overcast stuff. But I gotta flip big stuff because apparently that's where those guys are hiding. So it's the first sub-adult black king I found out here. All the rest have been adults. So let's get back to it. I'm pouring sweat. I got 30 minutes left. Alright guys, I just flipped. Cute little slimy salamander right there. Pretty cool. Yeah, I've been going down this whole entire thing like crazy. Minutes out here. I'm hitting the point where I'm gonna have to go soon, but I'm gonna try to flip some of these bigger rocks since it seems like the little gems are under those. So I'll get back with y'all if I find anything. Alright guys, well, I ran out of time, so I'm gonna have to call it. But still, you know, I'm sorry it's a short video, but you know, we were on a time crunch. I just came out here to herp on a whim, and boom, flipped a black king. So, well worth it. Very well worth it. So, dude, I'm pouring sweat. I don't even know why I'm sweating this much. Humidity just kicked it up a ton, I guess. But, jump off here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And, yeah. Give this video a thumbs up with that black king. He deserved it.